Charcoal can be a powerful tool to improve your garden soil, but to truly unlock its benefits, we need to turn it into something called biochar. Biochar is not just any charcoal. It is activated charcoal that has been filled with life. Tiny, helpful microbes and nutrients that will stay in your soil for years. This isn't just about feeding plants today. It's about making the soil richer, more alive, and better at holding nutrients and water for a long time. To make biochar at home, you don't need any fancy equipment. Just follow a simple method that uses kitchen scraps and a bit of garden soil. Start with pieces of charcoal. These could come from natural wood you've burned yourself, or lump charcoal that has no chemicals added. Crush the charcoal into very small pieces. Powder is best, but even pea-sized bits are fine. The smaller the pieces, the better they can hold microbes and nutrients. Take fruit peels from your kitchen, banana peels, watermelon peels, orange peels, or anything similar. Cut these peels into small pieces so they break down faster. Get a bucket or a container that can hold all your ingredients. Fill it with rainwater if you have it. If not, use regular tap water, but let it sit overnight so the chlorine can evaporate. Chlorine kills microbes, and we want them to grow. Put your crushed charcoal into the water, then add the chopped fruit peels. Add a few handfuls of good garden soil. This soil contains living microbes already, and they will start moving into the charcoal. Stir everything very well. You want the charcoal to be in contact with the water and the fruit peels and the soil. Then cover the container loosely, just enough to keep insects out, but allow some air to get in. Leave the container like this for at least 7 days. You can even wait longer if you want. During these 7 days, something magical will happen. The microbes from the garden soil will grow in number and spread into the charcoal. The fruit peels will start to rot and release nutrients into the water. The charcoal will soak up this nutrient-rich liquid and give the microbes a perfect place to live. Charcoal has many tiny holes in it, like a sponge, that hold onto water, nutrients, and microbes. Once activated like this, your charcoal becomes biochar. It is no longer just carbon. It is full of life and food for your soil. You can use this biochar mixture in 2 ways. The first method is to use it while preparing your garden bed at the start of the season. First, make sure your soil is a little moist. Do not pour this mixture into dry soil. Dry soil can harm the microbes, so water your garden bed lightly first. Then take the mixture from your container and pour it onto your garden bed. You can also mix it into the top few inches of soil. This will give your soil a long-lasting boost. The microbes and nutrients will help your plants grow stronger and faster. Over time, the biochar will keep holding nutrients from compost, rain, or fertilizer, and slowly give them back to the plants. It's like adding a tiny storage system into your soil that keeps working year after year. The second way to use this mixture is like a liquid fertilizer. Just take some of the solution and mix it with water. Use 1 part of the mixture and 10 parts of clean water. Stir it well and use it to water your plants. This will give them a fast boost of nutrients and microbes. It's perfect if your plants are looking weak or if you just want to feed them naturally. This method won't give the long-term storage that adding biochar into the soil does, but it will still feed your plants and improve the soil little by little. Using biochar has many benefits. It improves the structure of the soil, helping it hold water better. That means you won't need to water your plants as often. It also helps the soil hold onto nutrients, so your plants can feed better and waste less. The microbes living inside the biochar help break down organic matter and fight off harmful bacteria in the soil. This makes your garden healthier and stronger over time. Biochar also helps balance the pH of your soil, especially if your soil is too acidic. It makes nutrients more available to the roots, which means better growth and bigger harvests. Another great thing is that once biochar is in your soil, it can last for many years. Unlike compost that breaks down over time, biochar stays. It continues to help the soil season after season. That means your garden gets better and better every year, with less work from you. So instead of throwing away your kitchen scraps or letting your charcoal go to waste, turn them into something powerful. A simple bucket, some fruit peels, and a few days of waiting can give you one of the best natural fertilizers and soil boosters you can make at home. This is not just about gardening, it's about building life in your soil. Try this simple method and see the difference in your garden. And if you want more such natural gardening tips, fertilizers, and sprays, check out the other videos on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends who love plants.